everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started. Hi everyone.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be very helpful for those who are beginners in stitching. It's a kind of theoretical video. So here I am showing you 43 types of collar neck designs with their names. I will also give you a brief description to choose the best collar for your garment and how the latest collar neck designs can change the look of your garment. Not to make this a lengthy video, I divided it in 3 parts, like collar designs to use for blouses, collar designs for dresses like midis and crop tops, and collar designs for kurtis. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump to the video. So the last part of this video is collar neck designs for kurtis. So the first one is half collar neck design for kurtis. A modish yet traditional neck design with half collar gives a very vibrant sass to any kurta pattern. You can use some bright printed fabric to stretch up a bigger than normal collar and adding contrast piping strips on plain kurta for a casual chic and contemporary look. Now another pattern is latest roll collar neck design. A rolling collar with Angarakha wrap neckline is never going out of style, so all the more reason for you to opt for this neck pattern. Adding a row of pochli buttons enhances the grace of this neckline, which can be worn as workwear outfit by ladies. You can pair a kurti with this neckline with jeans, leggings and even cigarette pants for a streamlined look. Now more neckline patterns are mandarin collar kurtis, notch collar kurtis and designer collar neck kurtis. This designer neck pattern can be created by mixing multiple fabrics like raw silk, net and sequins. The puff sleeves add a feminine look to the blouse. This pattern highlights the shoulder and neck area. The best feature of this blouse is its versatility in matching multiple sarees. Another beautiful pattern is notch shawl collar neck design, shirt collar neck designs and flip collar neck design. The contrast flat collar neck pattern is my favorite way to wear the collar design as it looks fun and casual in addition to working for all seasons. If you don't like the regular stuffy collar, then this is the pattern to try with kurtis having flare or A-line cut. If you have a square or round face, this neckline will absolutely suit you, but make sure to avoid this V-style flat collar if you have a long face. This is called the high collar kurti and this is the shawl collar kurti. The coat style fashion blouse or the Angarakha collar neck design is a perfect harmony of elegance and grace. It is great for a formal look and the traditional events where one wishes to sport a sober yet unique look. Adding a gold or silver collar to the blouse can act as an accessory and one need not wear heavy necklaces. This pattern is called cape collar kurti. This one is a high collar kurti and this one is ruffled collar kurti. As you can see the ruffles in the collar. Another one is butterfly collar kurti and this one is reverse collar neck design. So I hope you got a sound understanding about different varieties of collar neck and how you can design your outfit using these neck patterns. If you find this video a bit useful, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also, I would love to hear your suggestions. So please leave us a comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.